So as you're about to see, the left-hand side's not quite as simple as that. There's a couple of implications here. So the first thing I'll do is take off the bar end. Right, and the next thing we're going to do is going to remove a little cover. Okay, actually before I do that, what I'll do, I'll show you how you remove the grip. So you don't disassemble this particular switch. You don't want to do that because it's designed to be a single unit. It actually slips off pretty easily because all you've got to do is roll back the throttle, the handlebar grip. Right, you'll find in there that there is a torque screw. Okay, it's a T8 or a T10 or something like that. It might be T10. So if you undo that and pull that out, right, that basically holds that whole left-hand component onto the handlebar. Yeah, it's from here that I can simply pull apart the little cover. There's a little cover on the underneath of the switch. It helps protect. Okay, so it just comes off like that. Right, now what I've got to do is get the wiring out. And the way you do that is quite simple. Right, there's two sets of wires in there. There's the heated grip wire, if you've got heated grips. But then there's the main wiring associated with the switch itself. Get out, and I can remove that whole left-hand grip. Now, this is one of the implications for this particular device, is this switching mechanism attaches to the heated grip, which has got the left-hand grip, if you like, with the grip on it as well. And it's a heated grip, this particular version. If I undo or just loosen this little clip in here, I can actually remove, right, the whole switch. So it comes off very easily. But what that leaves behind is the left-hand grip, which has got the attachment clip or the plastic that goes into the switch, as well as the heated grip plug-in part. Now on the throttle, it remained in there. If you'll notice that we never removed the throttle, so it just stayed connected. This one we had to disconnect. Now here's the problem. In order for me to get this switching panel on, that is going to be in the road. I'll get away with the heated grip part, but I will not get away with this because it won't flex, it won't go anywhere. You basically have to replace the grip or cut that off. And my preference would be to get another grip as opposed to, destroy the original handlebar grip. But what I'm going to do is get a second one and cut this off and actually have a second one on there. So, yeah, it's the one implication. Right. All I need to do is slide it on and position it where I want it. So I'm not going to put that other grip on because you'll see there'll be a few little issues with it. But suffice to say, that's where it goes, the switching panel. This plug connects to the right-hand side switch, where this particular plug here, right, will connect to the original wiring harness. So I just go and find that little recess that locks into the hole. There you go. There you go. It's pretty much wired, except I just need to join the other side now. Yeah, just so you're aware of what I was saying before, it's this original grip that will get in the road, especially that little attachment that locates the original switching panel. When I slide this on, right, it gets in the road. I can put the heated plug, for the heated grip. I can actually slide that underneath and it will fit outside the switch. But this particular piece will get in the road. I can't get it in there. And that is a limiting factor with this one. I would need to cut that off in order to get that throttle back on, that handle grip back on.